I see it. I really do. Because I think I'm sexy. Duh. Why is your baby green? Answer that question, Grandma.
No, I don't know how to spell time. I don't know how to tell time. Okay? Okay.
It may look like I bought them, Would you like one? I would. These are good. My sister and her boyfriend are doing really weird stuff in the basement. I'm joking. Or am I? I don't know anymore. Stop touching me, Jesus Christ! Oh, I thought it was. Oh, these are the glasses of the guy that I killed. Get it? Because I'm going to be the newspaper. If you actually watched and listened to what I was saying, then you would know that, okay? Would you like to put these 3D glasses on? Oh, look, I'm green. You're like blue. You are? You're not blue. I'm not? You make everything so pretty. Extra pretty. I do like cake. I love cake. Yum, 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 yum. I love cake. You see that? It was like a spark of smoking. You smoke? That's awesome! You smoke? You will get cancer. That's not even funny. This is not a joke. Okay, have a nice day. Okay, bye. Girl Scout! What's your name, Girl Scout? My name's Patrice Devin Manana Kachani Kochava Bakini. You need to repeat that? Oh, no, that's okay, honey. That's okay. Wanna dance with us? Oh, you wanna dance? Dance? Oh my God. Those stinking eyelashes. Construction worker. I used to make fun when I was pretty fun. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? Yeah.